Alright friends, in this session we will learn how to use return statement in Python programming. So, we will perform the addition inside the function and use the return statement to send the result back. Okay, let's do it. Here is my result. Result is equal to number 1 plus number 2. I want to return this result. So, I use return statement and then I use result. So what it makes? It sends the calculated value back to where the function was called. Where? Here. I return 29. This value right now is 29. Since the function returns a value, we need to store it in a variable. Let's define it. I can define like to number sum. It's my variable name. We can use same name. Like I can define result here, but we don't know yet global scope and local scope. We will learn about it. I can define result2 here. It will not be confused because I am defining this result inside the function. If I define result here, it's outside the function. So I can use it. We will see later. So here, to number sum is equal to 29 because it returns 29 here. You can think I just assign a value to the variable. Like I define to number sum and assign it to 29. You can think like that because in the function I return a value to outside. I mean I send the value back from a function. So right now to number sum is equal to the addition of these numbers. If I want to print it, print inside the print function total number, and then I put my comma and I use my variable name. If I run it, right click and run it, you see total number is 29. Super. It's so easy, right? Here we stored a returned value in a variable. We could use it directly too. For example, I can take it and I can copy. Here I can use it directly too, but the better way to assign to a variable. So take it back. Okay, super. In this session we learned how to use return statement. See you in the next lesson.